Polars is everywhere on Twitter. 5 times faster, 10 times faster. Should you actually switch off Pandas? Today, real benchmarks, migration tips, and the one rule I use to decide. I'm fair. 17 years in data and AI distilled. The numbers on 100 million rows. Group by sum. Pandas 82 seconds, Polars 9. Filter and join. Pandas 64, Polars 4. Rolling window. 110 versus 12. Reading parquet. 18 versus 3. On every batch operation past 10 million rows, Polars wins, often by a factor of 10. What? 4 reasons. 1. The core is Rust. No Python interpreter overhead. 2. Lazy execution. Polars sees your whole pipeline before running it and optimizes. 3. Columnar Apache Arrow memory layout. Cache-friendly SIMD operations. 4. Native parallelism. Polars uses every CPU core by default. Pandas is single-threaded Python. Polars is none of that. But here's where Pandas still wins. Data under 1 million rows. The speed gap doesn't matter. You need scikit-learn or stats models. Pandas integrates natively. Notebook exploration with the .head and .reflexes you've built. Team already shipping. The only place Pandas loses badly is production batch jobs that run for minutes. The migration cheat sheet. Read your file with scan CSV instead of read CSV. That's lazy. Replace bracket filters with .filter. Replace .groupby with .groupby. Yes, with here underscore. And with .collect to actually execute. 5 minutes per pipeline once you've done one. The gotchas to plan for. String operations are stricter and Unicode correct. There is no index. Rows are positional only. Scikit-learn integration needs a to pandas at the boundary, and the data frame wrapper looks different. Plan 1 week of friction, then it's faster everywhere. The decision rule I use. Switch to Polars if any one of 3 is true. Your Pandas pipelines take more than a minute, your typical job has more than 10 million rows, or your pipeline runs in production every hour or more. Otherwise, stay on Pandas. The gap doesn't matter. Subscribe to Data and I with Verath. Tomorrow, prompt caching, 90% cheaper LLMS with 1 line of code.